Yeah, it's early. I'm waking up anyway. Oh, time for fireworks. Here we go. We're gonna go over to the fireworks booth and help them sell some fireworks, I think. I knew where my glasses were. Somewhere. Here they are. Alright. It's time for fireworks.
Here, get a shot of my hand. The new ones this year?
That one?
Not too many people can palm one of these.
Famous hand. So many fireworks.
More assemblies selling over there, and I go talk to them all the time. That's another new one.
Fireworks upon fireworks.
Is $3. It's okay. I had $10 from the beginning. I bought her as soon as I could.
Killer bunnies.
You get one more.
There's so many cards in this game, dude.
At least let's put it here.
Yes. And you just have to place them out so people can see the numbers.
This goes here.
Yeah.
That goes there. And then draw. And then I'll put down my next card. Yeah.
Everybody's all sleeping in their little tents. It's nighttime. Right?
It is really, really late. No idea why I'm awake.
Anything else?
Some of us were at work at 6 o'clock this morning. Ridiculous.
How about you? You at work 6 o'clock this morning?
No, not any work today. Or tomorrow.
I see.
Some of us may have to go back to work at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, I'm just trying to figure it.
Okay.